our final requirements in networking, 2, we need to answer the 5 problems, but we need to answer the number 1. You want to practice and decided to design a network. There are 20 available computer units, 3 routers, and 3 switches. In order to connect the 3 routers, you have to use the following IP addresses for routers: 192.168.50.0 and 192.168.60.0 with corresponding neighbor value of 20, 30, and 60. How are you going to connect the devices if the computers use Class A, Class B, and Class C dynamic routing protocol? You need to use BGP or Border Gateway Protocol. Okay, how many? There are 20 available computer units. So all we need to do is to put the PT router, 3 PT router. Let's put this. Ayusin muna natin. And then 3 switch. Itong gagamitin natin para mas maraming ports na ang may lalagay. And then PC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, 4, 6, 12. So, ang kailangan pa natin is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Dalawa pang PC. Lagay natin dito. And then, gagamit tayo ng straight through cable para i-connect.
Iskandar lumpia. Iskandar.
Then, gagamit tayo ng straight through cable para i-connect sa router. And then, lagyan natin ng label. Class A. Class B. Class C. So, okay na yan. Gamitan naman natin ang serial DCE para ma-connect ang routers natin. And then, maglagay tayo ng ilan na to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Maglagay na tayo ng IP address. IP address. Dito is class A, kaya 10 the 168.10.2. Copy. Paste. 10.168.10.2. Bawasan and copy. Then, paste lang natin. Palitan 3. Then, paste natin yung default gateway natin. Para mas madali. Paste 4. Paste. Ganun naman. File. And then 1. Ayan, 6 na tayo. 6. 7. 7. And then, punta tayo sa router. Config. Fast Ethernet. I-paste natin dito yung default gateway. And then, i-open natin. And then, punta tayo serial. Lagyan natin ng serial 2 million sa clock rate. And then, ang ilalagay natin dito is 20. Kasi yung TX ring limit natin. And then, ang ilalagay natin dito, nakalagay doon na 192.168.50.2 ang ilagay natin. And then, open. And then, okay na yan. Next, dito naman tayo maglagay. Desktop. 172 kasi class B siya. 168.10.2 i-copy para mas mabilis. Copy. Paste. Palitan ng 1, i-copy na yan. Copy. 2. 3. And then, paste. 4. And then, 5. And 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa router, config. Pas Ethernet, i-paste natin yung default gateway and then open serial. Sa serial, 2 million ang clock rate. And then, dito naman is 30 na. 30 siya. And then, sa IP address niya, sa IP address lang niya is 192.168.50.3. Ibahin lang yung dulo. And then, i-open natin. Then, next naman, dito, 2 million lang din. 2 million, 30 din to. 30. And then, ang ilalagay naman natin dito is 192.168.60.2 para diretso mag-CLI na lang tayo mamaya. Dito maglagay pa muna tayo ng 192.168 kasi class C. 192.168.10.192.168.10.2 copy, paste 1 and then copy. Yun na, para mag-paste na ng 3. Paste. Over. Five. 6. 7. 7. Okay na. And then, dito naman, punta tayo sa config. Pas Ethernet, i-paste lang natin. And then, on. And then, serial, 2 million sa clock rate. And then, 192.168.60.3. Dagdagan lang natin yan. And then, open. And then, close. And then, CLI natin. Then, CLI natin. CLI natin. Sa router, makikita ang CLI. And then, exit, router, PGP. Ito yung neighbor value niya 820. So, yan. Network. Yung value niya dapat to. Yung value ng router niya. So, yung serial is 192.168.50.0 kasi 0, base 0 tayo ngayon. And then, network dot 10.168.10.0. Next is yung neighbor niya. Neighbor niya is dito. Dito, yung router ang mauna. Yung neighbor niya ay 192.168.50.3. Remote as 30. Tama. And then, next is, yung PC naman niya is 172.168.10.2 space. And then, enter and then exit. And then, next punta tayo dito. Ito naman yung i-pan natin. neighbor niya to. Exit mo na. And then, router, BGP. Yung neighbor value nito is 30. So, enter. Network. Ang ilalagay natin sa network nito is yung serial muna. 192.168.50.0. Kasi yun yung nakalagay na serial niya. Pero 3 lang yun. Tapos, 172.168.10.10.0. Ay, wait. Wrong ako. Network. Network pala. Enter. And then, neighbor. Ang neighbor niya is yung router 0. Kaya ang ilalagay natin dito is yung router muna. Yung 192.168.50.2. Remote as 20. Next. Enter. Remote as 20. And then, anong next? Yung PC naman niya. 10.168.10.2. Enter. And then, exit. And then, next. Dito tayo mag-CLI. Exit muna tayo. Exit. Router. BGP. 60 yung nilagay dyan. Pero, check. 60 and then 2 million. 60 and then 2 million. Exit and then router BGP 60. Router BGP 60 and then network 192.168.60.0. Network yung PC niya is 192 din kasi class C. 192.168.10.2. Enter. Neighbor na siya. Neighbor. Yung neighbor niya is yung router 1. So, ang serial ng router 1 ay 192.168.50.3. 3, tama. Remote as 30. 192.168.50. Remote as 30. Tama. 60. And then next is yung IP address. 172.168.10.2. Enter, exit. Next, balik tayo sa router 2. Yung ginamit natin, ay yung nilagay natin kaninang ganito. Ang gagamitin natin. Ang gagamitin natin ay 60.2. So, exit. Router. BGP 30. Network 192.168.60.2. And then, neighbor na agad. Neighbor niya is yung router 2 na. Router 2. Pinakahuli. Neighbor is 192.168.60.3. Remote. Remote as 60. 60 na yun. Yung PC lang ang papalitan dito. 192.168.10.2. And then exit. And then let's try na. Success. Saan na success? Ayun. Pero dito, bakit failed? Check na muna natin yung config niya. Mali ang config nito. 2 million. Okay. 2 million. Tama. Config nito. Sometimes dito kasi nagkakamali. Kaya ayaw niya. Config. Tama naman na. Bakit ayaw niya sa dulo? Check natin yung CLI niya. Nagkamali pala dito. Exit. Router. BGP 30. Network. Network 192.168.50.0. Ay, yung pangalawa pala. 60.0. Pero yung una, 50.0. Tama, yun. Tama. Yung una yan. Tapos, ito yung pangalawa. 192.168.60.0. Enter. Neighbor na agad. Neighbor. 192.168. Yung neighbor mo dito is 60.3 na yun. Remote as 60. And then, ulitin mo lang, palitan mo lang yan. 192.168, binura ko pa. 10.2. Exit. Ayan. Ulit. Success. Mali pala yung ginawa ko. Failed. Failed. Ano yung nag-success sa niya? Failed. 1, 2. Success.